Plum recently launched 4 new body mist and I have 3 of them with me, so let me review it for you guys. Also, this is an unsponsored review. Hi, my name is Preeti and I make beauty and perfume related videos. First up, Boardroom and Bora Bora. This one hands down is my favorite out of the entire collection. So the moment you spray it, it reminds you of Cherryosa 68 from Sol de Janeiro, which is a very beautiful scent by the way. Cherryosa 68 is known to be similar to Baccarat Rouge or Red Temptation from Zara. Although not very similar, but it has the same underlying base. But Cherryosa 68 is very sweet and this one is very close to Cherryosa 68. To describe it, it's fruity, floral but has some sharpness underneath. Since it has depth, it smells very expensive, very nice, very unique, and I just absolutely love this one. I've got the body lotion in full size. I have talked about it in my recent video. You can check that out. Next one is Petal on the Rocks. I don't know, when I was seeing ads on Instagram, this was the one I was seeing the most instead of Bora Bora. But this one I like the least. With the name and the packaging, I was expecting it to be something like lemon cake. You know, there's this scent called Victoria from Latafa. I was expecting it to smell like that. But it obviously absolutely doesn't. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of British Rose from Body Shop, which is the fragrance that I really hate. It's like a typical rose scent. It's a very old lady scent. You might have smelled this definitely before. Like, it's not a very unique scent profile, and honestly in my opinion I don't even like this scent profile. So if I were you, I'll steer clear of this. But again, no offense to the people who love British Rose from Body Shop, it's just not for me. I am a little sweet or gourmand kind of person. Then the last one is called Tropic of Discussion. You know, even before spraying it, when I opened the bottle, I could smell the coconuts, and I love coconuts. It is a creamy coconut scent mixed with freshness. It reminds me of Bahamas from Bath and Body Works, and I love Bahamas, so I also love this scent. Also, I would like to say it's a very well done coconut scent for the price. And then there is one more scent that I do not have with me. It's something related to matcha. So if you have tried it, please let me know in the comments. And if I have to rate the 3 scents that I have with me, obviously number 1 goes to the Bora Bora one. Second, Tropic of Discussion, love it. I have not tried matcha yet, but my least favorite would be Petal on Rocks. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Bye.